Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm creating this very grand bridal makeup look for or under rupees 1500. So if you want to know how to create this glam bridal look in a budget, then please keep on watching. For skin prep, I'm first moisturizing my skin using the Pond's Hydrating Moisturizer that retails for only 270, and its smaller version will only cost you 43 rupees. For my lips, I'm using the Nykaa Lip Crush Lip Balm in the variant Strawberry that costs only for rupees 236. To brighten up my face a little, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base that retails for only rupees 399, and it also doubles up as a primer. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using the Pack Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand, and this only costs for around rupees 495. To set my concealer, I'm using the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline, and this costs only about 675. Starting with my eyes, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette that consists of 32 eyeshadows ranging from matte nudes to shimmery colorful shades to deep dark sultry shades, costing you only rupees 1312. I'm first saturating my lids with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and I'm blending its edges using my fluffy blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. This concealer only retails for about 495 rupees. To give some warmth to my crease, I'm picking up this nude brown shade and buffing it with the edges of the brown base I just created. To further deepen my crease, I'm diving into a deeper shade of brown from the same palette and blending it into my crease area. Next, I'm topping my lid with these two shimmery shades, and because I have a deeper base, these shades will pop more. To give a more cut crease effect to my eye, I'm defining my crease area with this deep charcoal shade, but I won't be blending it too much like the previous shades. Prior to foundation application, I like to color correct my pigmentation with an orange color corrector. This one is by Miss Claire, which will only cost you 263 Indian rupees. For foundation, I'm using the Nykaa Skin Genius Foundation Stick in the shade 04, and it only retails for 498 Indian rupees. This one is one of my favorite foundation sticks because it feels so light and sheer on my skin, and it's also super long lasting. To highlight the areas like my under eye area, forehead, chin and nosy, I'm using a concealer that's lighter than my skin tone. This one's Pack Take Cover Concealer in the shade Peach Sand, and it only comes for 495 Indian rupees. To bring back some dimension and structure to my face, I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones, circumference of my face, my jawline and the sides of my nose with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze, which is hands down one of the cheapest and quality concealer on the market, costing you only 695 Indian rupees. To set my concealer so that it doesn't crease on me, I'm using the Maybelline's new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder with a damp sponge that will only cost you for 675 Indian rupees. To bring some color to my cheeks, I'm using the Sugar's blush stick in the shade Mauve Marble that retails for only 7.99 Indian rupees, and it also comes in a powder formulation if you're not into creamy formulations. For highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline's not only most talked about Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, but also one of the cheapest on the market, retailing for only 5.99 Indian rupees. Now to set and seal everything in place, I'm using a setting spray. This one is by Color Essence and it only retails for 3.99 Indian rupees. For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas using the Mars 2-in-1 eyebrow powder that comes for only 1.99 Indian rupees along with a dual-ended brush. Moving to my eyes, I'm lining my top lash line with the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada that comes for only 189 Indian rupees, and I'm smudging it using my smaller pencil brush. I'm also dragging the kajal a little bit into my crease area. Next, I'm smoking out this nude brown shade in my lower lash line. I'm filling in my waterline with the Magnet Eye Kajal and I'm smudging it with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using this bright gold shade from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette. Now to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'm coating my lashes with some mascara. This one's by Mars and hands down one of the cheapest mascaras, retailing for only 189 Indian rupees. For falsies, I'm using the Ardell Natural Lashes in the style 102 and they originally retail for between 415 to 440 Indian rupees. For lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance, which only retails for 239 Indian rupees. And here is the finished look. I've got my lehenga, my jewelry and my bindi on. I love how grand and glamorous this look turned out, and I didn't have to spend a fortune to pull off a bridal look, and neither do you. So if you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like these, let me know in the comment section down below. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.